In this Smart Proxy tutorial, I will show you how to add proxies in the Ads Power tool. Let's start by creating a new profile. Open Ads Power and click on New Profile on the top part of the screen. Now, put your creative brain to work and think of a profile name. Okay, scroll down to the Proxy section. Today I'll show you how to set up residential proxies. Since the process is similar for all proxy types, you can follow this tutorial even if you choose a different type. First, click on the drop-down menu next to the proxy type and choose HTTP. If you're in mainland China, pick HTTPS. Now head to the Smart Proxy dashboard and log in. Then select the Proxy Setup option. In the Authentication Method field, type in the username of your choice. Hit Create. The password is generated automatically. Move on to the Endpoint Generator section. Here, you need to choose a preferred proxy location, session type, and output format. Below, you'll find the generated endpoints. Now, let's go back to Ads Power. Type the endpoint and the port of the proxy in the respective fields. In case you decide to use dedicated data center proxies instead of rotating residential proxies, you'll need to input the IP address and the port. Okay, now finish the proxy setup by inputting the same proxy username and password. Don't forget to hit the Check Proxy button to see if it's working. Now, continue to the Information section. Click on the Account Platform drop-down menu and select the website you will be accessing. Type in the login credentials. You can tweak specific fingerprint settings in the Advanced section. When you're done, press OK to save your profile. If you choose the HTTPS proxy type, you need to know if the proxy connection was successful. Head to the Profile Management page and click Open to launch the browser profile. If your proxies are working, you will see something like this. Well done! You've completed the Ads Power proxy setup. You'll find all the relevant links in the video description. For more helpful videos like this, check out our YouTube channel and documentation.